How to change the default home app launcher on your Pixel phone. Let's get started. If you just installed a new launcher from the Play Store and you want to switch it to that one and try it out, use the quick access. You'll tap on the settings right here. From the main settings, you go to where it says apps right there. As you enter into the apps section here, you'll go down and you'll see default apps. Now that you're here, you're going to see the different default apps and you're going to see home app. At default, it will be set to the Pixel. You'll tap right there on this area here. And if you got one from the Play Store and it's compatible, it will show up here. So if you have this one here, when you tap on it, just understand that you will basically end up rearranging your entire home layout, your settings and everything. It won't erase anything on your phone, but it's going to completely reorganize your phone because it's a new launcher on your phone. You're no longer using the Pixel launcher. So if you want to take that chance and try it out, that's where you would go to do that. Okay, I'm going to stick with my Pixel, but this is where you would go to switch to another launcher.